Hello everyone, hello Zimbabwe, hello South Africa, India, around the world. How are you guys? It's Sunday. So what do we have on a Sunday? We have this laptop. This is coming from another, our regular customer. And what the customer is saying 1 inch is broken. That's what the customer is saying. We have some kind of inch problem here. So let's see. I can't even open this side. This side is broken. The left side. This side. So let's see what we want to see if the laptop is still alive. That's the first step on. Yeah, everything seems fine. So the only problem that we have is this. You can see this hinge is broken. That's the only problem with this laptop. So how we can fix something like this? Let's check out the battery. Let's check out the sellotape things. Yeah, the customer tried by all means to protect the laptop with some sellotape. Let's try to do something proper here. We made so many videos on how to repair laptop hinges. So let's do it again on this one. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's take the front panel. Check out the front panel. Just like that. So why the hinge got broken? Mainly it's one reason. In most of the time, is that the major reason why the hinge got broken is because the hinges will be too tightened from the manufacturer. As you can see, you can't even twist this thing easily. This metal thing, you can't twist it easily. It's very hard. So that explains why this hinge got broken. That explains the reason why this. So all what we need is to loosen up this hinge, if you can. You can see this number 6 spanner is working on many kind of laptops on those nuts. So all what we need to do is very simple. All what we have to do is to loosen up the hinge. Let's loosen again. So how is everyone? How is everyone? Now looks better. Now looks better. The problem, I don't know how I have to put this on my desk so that you see nicely. So what we are supposed to do here, we have to play with Mr. Epox. Mr. Epox, you see this one? Let's play with Mr. Epox. It's very easy. Straight on the hinge. That's the foundation. And then we put the resin. Now we are putting the hardener on top. Now we have to mix everything. Let's mix up everything. We are creating now. This is the foundation of hinge repair. We want a strong connection there. All what we have to do is to make sure the connection here is very strong. That's all what we have to do. This is not a hard job. This something is, you don't need any strong skill to do such kind of things. You don't need any skill here. So all what you have to do is to put some pegs here so that will give time for the epoxy to dry up. So let's wait a moment and then we'll see what's going on after. Let's see now. I took exactly 10 minutes to let this. You can see this is the left side. We have put the first coating, which is epoxy, and this side, which the customer was using sellotape, you can see the other side is broken, but the damage is not that much. So I think we can use hot glue now. So now we have to come with hot glue. We have to come with hot glue. This side, just like that. And the other side here. I'm using glue gun. And if you are using glue gun, the glue won't be that much, so we have to assist with the hot air. So I'll use hot air just to make a strong connection here. Hot air this side. Hot air here. And quickly bring the top cover. It's not easy. It's not that difficult. Nothing hard here. That's all what you have to do. That's all what you have to do. You know, someone advised me about using hot glue from the hot glue gun. And I accepted the advice that the glue won't be very, very hot. So I have to assist with my hot air station. I have to assist with my hot air station. So what we can do on this side, can use also glue gun. Glue, what glue everywhere? What glue everywhere? What air? So let's wait. We have used hot glue and with the assistance of the hot air to ensure that we have a strong bond. So all what we have to do is to give time. Let's just wait and see. After a while, we'll test our inches. Let's just wait for the glue to give us a strong connection, and then we'll check later. Okay, let's see now. So our glue is now dry up, and it's that moment for testing. You can see this was the side which was broken. Check how strong is the hinge. You see how strong is it? You can't even break this hinge. You can't. So basically that's how you can fix hinges in areas like Zimbabwe. Here we are living in areas of high temperatures. The temperatures, they are around above 30 degrees on most of the time, and that's the reason why I'm using the foundation of epoxy, just to make a strong connection. After that, you can apply hot glue with the help of a hot air station. So basically this job is done. Let's see if everything is okay on. And the laptop is turning on. Enter. It is working. The laptop is working. So that was the repair we have on a Sunday. It's loading Windows. Let's just be patient. And how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine, guys. Hope everyone is fine. Because what I did, I was some kind of busy trying to change my setup on my desk. I changed a few things. I think I'll upload another video on the current tools in my current setup, which I'm now using for recording videos. So I think everyone is fixing things. I'm also fixing things, but it's kind of very low, especially these days. It's quite very low. But we have to try. We have to try fixing things. If you don't understand anything, you can leave the comment. I'll try to answer you. I will try to answer you in the future. Still loading Windows. It's still loading Windows. Let's just be patient. I just want to make sure everything is working here. Maybe the owner left the laptop for some time without use. He's trying to reload some settings and reload the Windows. Please wait. And it's working. We still have a working operating system. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. So yeah, it's working fine. Everything, the keyboard, yeah, maybe, yeah, I think this Windows still need time. But everything seems to be working fine. Everything seems to be working fine, except that the Windows is slow. This Windows is slow. Maybe it's because the owner left it for a long time without being used. The keyboard is working. You can see here on this corner. Maybe you can't see due to reflection of light, but the keyboard is working fine. So what I will do, I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also share our videos to your loved friends and relatives, and probably see you on the next one. Bye.